Free, high quality pet treats. Well, not exactly free, but this will feel free. This is just one example. Let's say that you have some chicken or some beef and you're going to make some chicken parmesan or maybe some beef fajitas. Before you add your seasoning, just set aside a bit for the dogs. You can use a knife, but I prefer scissors to demonstrate. So before you make the meal for your family, just cut off a strip and set it aside for your dog. The same thing with the chicken. And just set aside this for your pet. And now you still have this meal for your family, and you won't even miss that strip that you cut off. Now this looks pretty small, but watch what happens when I cut this even more. I cut that little strip of beef into 13 separate pieces, so that's 13 different behaviors I can reward. Now it's up to you. You can use this raw or cooked. Check with your vet before giving your pet any new foods. And you can cook it after you set it aside, or you could cook it first and then cut off your strip. This will be for the family. And this is a whole bunch of behaviors you can reward. Let's say you have a really large pet or you have multiple pets. You can use more treats and it still won't feel like a lot is gone. Let's say that I start with this pack of beef that's about 1.5 pounds, and I'll take just one piece out. And still look how much I have left for my family. So this piece that's gone is hardly noticed, but look how many pieces we can make of this for treats. I cut that piece of beef into about 50 pieces, and some of these pieces are pretty big. They could be cut 1 or 2 more times. So this could equal about 70 treats. And if you have 4 dogs, that's about 17 behaviors you could reward. And you still have all of this left to feed your family. Before feeding meat from the grocer, be sure to check the ingredient label and the sodium label. You don't want to feed the type of meat that has added salt and other unnecessary ingredients. If you want to save even more money, check with your butcher. See if they have any scraps that they were going to throw away, but make sure the scraps are good quality and not outdated.